Okay, today we'll talk about volume of different prisms and cylinders. Okay, for volume of anything, what we want to do is take the face area, and I'll explain what a face is in just a minute. Face area times the length. Face area times the length. Now this formula will work for all volume. It's the face area times the length. Let's start off with this one here. We have a rectangular prism. So basically what we have is, since a rectangular prism, the face of it is going to be a rectangle. And then we just multiply it by how long it is. So we need to decide which side are we going to use. All of these are rectangles. Which side do you want to be the face? You know what? I think what I'll do is I'm just going to make this top the face. So if I make this top up here, right there, and you can shade that in. Let's make that the face of it. So if that's a face, notice this side here is 4, right? 4 meters. And this length here, right here, this is 4 by 5. Right? Because if this is 5, that's 5, this is 5, that's 5. So 4 by 5 this will be our face. So our face is, the area of this face here is base times height, which is 4 times 5, or 5 times 4. Either way is all right. And I'm going to put the units in there this time. Okay? That's my face. That's not my face. That's the face of this right here. Next, I need to know how long is it, or how tall is it? It's 9 meters. So I have to multiply it by the length, which is 9. Now you may be saying, well, wait a minute, though, it's standing up. Wouldn't that be the height? It doesn't really matter. It could be laying down or standing up. But the length of it is 9. Now if I would have chosen another side, it would be different. But basically I'm multiplying 4 times 5, that's this area, times how long it is, 9. And if I multiply that out, 4 times 5, that's 20. So that's 20. So now I have 20 times 9. And notice I have these 3 m's. I'm just going to go ahead and put those there. Okay, next, 20 times 9. 2 times 9 is 18. And then I add to 0. And then my units, I have m. How many m's do I have? 3. So it's m cubed. The volume is measured in cubes. Area is always squares. Volume is always cubes. And there's our answer. So what are we saying is that this structure here can hold 180 cubes that are 1 meter, 1 meter by 1 meter. Cubic meters. Okay, let's go to the next figure. Again, we want the face times how long it is. Now, so let's see. How about if we just make this our face? The face of it. So this right here, we'll make that the face. And the face, I'm just going to put a little thing there saying that's the face, is 3 by 4. Base times height. So that's 3 meters by 4 meters. That's my face. And then I multiply by how long it is. And how long is it? It's 8 meters. So now all I need to do is just multiply the 3 numbers together. Let's see here. I have 3 times 4, that's 12. So that's 12 times 8. And you have, we'll skip the meters till later. So how much is 12 times 8? It's 96. 96. And the units are, there's 1, 2, 3 meters. It's meters cubed. And that's our volume. That's how many cubes will fit inside of here. Volume is already measured in cubes. How many will fit inside? Okay, for the next one, triangular prism. So we'll just call this our face, the triangle part, because it's a triangular prism. This is our face, the face. So we want the face area times how long it is. Okay, well the face is base times height. That's 6 times 5 divided by 2. Area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2. Then we want, that's the face of it, times how long it is. It's 10. Okay, so I could just do this. Carry that across. So let's see, let's multiply this out. Well, 2 go in a 6. 2 goes in there 3 times. So now we have 3 times 5 times 10. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 times 10 is 150. And the units are meters cubed. That's how many cubes will fit inside of this triangular prism. 150 of them. Now you may ask yourself, how come there's only 2 meters here, but yet we end up with meters cubed? The reason for that is because 4 squared, that's 4 meters squared. So that's really 4 meters times 4 meters. And then the height was 2 meters times 2 meters, and 3, that was for pi. So meters, 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 that makes meters cubed. And so that's where the other meters comes in. Okay, remember we want to find the face, which is a circle, times the length. So the area of a circle times the length. So let's see, this area right here, remember it's pi r squared. Pi r squared. For this area right here. This will be the face. So, pi, we'll use 3. Radius is 2. That's 2 squared. And then the length is 6. So pi r squared times the length. And so we have, let's see, 2 squared is just 4. And then I have 6. 3 times 4 is 12. And 12 times 6 is 72. So my units are 72 meters cubed. Remember that the units could be feet or yards, but it is always cubed when volume. So remember, volume is always the face area times how long it is.